If you've ever used Gcash to send money to someone and need to verify the full name of the recipient, you've probably wondered how to do that easily. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the full name of a Gcash receiver. Whether you're confirming a transfer or just double checking a transaction, these tips will help you ensure everything is accurate. So let's get started. The first and easiest way to know the full name of a Gcash receiver is by checking the transaction detail in the Cash app. Open the Gcash app and from your home screen tap on View All under your transaction history. This will show you all your recent transactions, including transfers and payment. Once you find the transaction you're looking for, tap on it to view more details. Gcash typically shows the recipient's name at the top of the transaction. You should see the full name of the receiver listed under the recipient section of the transaction, along with the amount sent and date. Another way to verify the full name is by checking the confirmation SMS that you received when you sent the money. When you make a Gcash transaction, you typically receive a SMS notification confirming the transfer. This message often includes the receiver's full name, the amount, and the phone number you sent money to. Now, lastly, if you're still unsure about the full name of the recipient, the next best step is to contact the receiver directly and confirm the name. This is particularly helpful if you're sending money to someone you don't know very well. And that's it. Now you know the easiest way to verify the full name of a Gcash receiver.